Hello, Dr. John Shieh here, and I want to share with you something that's usually uncomfortable for men to share, and that is something called erectile dysfunction, unable to have an erection. Now, this problem is quite prevalent in men. Actually, by age 40, studies show that up to 40% of them can have some degree of erectile dysfunction, and this only worsens as we get older. Now, the solutions in the past often were ineffective or risky, but at RejuvaYou, we like to use treatments that help to restore and rebuild things that you've lost to aging or injury. And this new transformative treatment for men is called GAINSWave. And GAINSWave utilizes an energy called acoustic wave therapy, which is completely non-invasive and painless. And this energy helps to break down microplaques, the plaques that are constricting the vessels. It helps them to open up again, restoring blood flow. It also helps with new blood flow, new blood vessel formation. All of this is just increasing blood flow, which is essential to an erection. The other benefit is that it also breaks down scar tissue that might have caused from injuries over time that also affect function. And the final thing that is really great is that it improves sensitivity, the nerve function. And men will report that they actually can feel more and get more out of the experience. So if this is something that you or someone you know could benefit from, please reach out to us at RejuvaYou, and we'd be happy to give you more information.